Hello dear student, this is a tutorial provided by the Unique Computer. In this training session, you would be coming across the shell scripting, and in today's lesson, I would be showing you regarding the different type of looping that has been implemented in Unix. The most popular one would be while loop. As you can see in the current program, there is in this program we have made use of two while loops. One is the external while loop or the outer while loop. Here the variable a initially has been initialized by 0, so the value of a is 0, which is less than 10, makes the loop condition true, which will allow the loop to enter the body. We have declared another variable called b, who is initialized by the value of a, which is also making b as 0. This would be the next while loop, which is the inner while loop, which is compared with the value of b, which is greater than or equal to 0. It's not greater than, but it is equal to 0. So with that, it enters the inner while loop. It would print the value of b. So before we continue the explanation, let me simultaneously show how the output would look like. I would be executing the file with the dot followed by the file name a1.sh. Here we can see this 0 has been produced due to the value printing of the variable b, after which the value b is been decremented by 1, which would make the b less than 0 minus 1. So with that done, it will go up to the loop once again. In a comparison evaluate will found that the loop condition turns false because it is minus 1. So it will terminate the loop and it will come to the next line, whereby it is in the next line, and then it is incrementing the value of the variable a from initially from 0. Now its value is 1. So when it goes up, 1 is less than 0, condition is found to be true, allowing the loop to enter to the body, and the value of a, which is 1, now been initialized to b. b is greater than 0, 1, which is 1 is greater than 0, condition is true. So it comes to the next line where it prints the value of b, which is 1. It gets printed over here. This is the one that is been printed. In the next line we are reducing the value of 1 by 0, and it's done, and it goes to the loop once again. It's not greater than 0, but it's equal to 0, whereby it enters the body of the loop and it prints the 0, because of which we are getting this particular 0. Again it's coming over here, decrementing and making it minus 1, whereby it goes up once again, and now the loop condition found to be false. So it terminates from the inner loop, and it comes over here, which will increment the value of a. That was initially 1, now it makes it 2, and in this way the condition is again tested, which is found to be true, and the body of the loop gets incremented. In this way we would get the whole of this descending order triangle, and by virtue of this nested while loop we had been able to learn how to make use of the nested while loop. Thank you very much.